Good morning, children. Did you complete exercise 3? Did you complete exercise 4, all the constructions? Very good. Today we are going to learn the next part of our construction, how to construct a triangle when two sides are given and the non-included angle is given. Okay, you know that when two sides are given and the included angle, like this if it is given, you have learned how to construct the triangle. But now we are going to learn how to construct a triangle when two sides are given and the non-included angle. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5 centimeters, AC is equal to 4 centimeters, angle B is equal to 40 degrees. Angle B is equal to 40 degrees. You already know the first step, which is drawing the rough sketch of the triangle. So we are going to take the base as AB. What is the reason for this, children? Because angle B's measure is given, we have to see that B is to the base. So AB is 5 centimeters and you know that angle B is 40 degrees. So we are going to draw a ray and this is 40 degrees. Then we are going to take AC as 4 centimeters using the compass and then draw an arc. Okay, when we make the actual construction, we are going to do this. This is going to be 4 centimeters. This is the rough sketch. This is the rough sketch of the figure. Now let us write step 1. Step 1. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Of triangle ABC and label it with the given measurements. With the given measurements. What is step 2, children? Step 2 is draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB of length 5 centimeters. AB of length 5 centimeters. Understood this? Okay. Now let us draw the sketch. Construction. Let us make the construction. Use your scale. Measure 5 centimeters. So I am going to draw it a little down. 5 centimeters and draw the line. This is AB. Length is 5 centimeters. Now angle B's measure is given as 40 degrees. Use your protractor and see angle B is this side, so you are going to see the outer scale. 40 degrees is this part, 40 is here. Let us mark the angle now. 40 degrees is here. Mark. Use your scale and draw the line. So here you have this is a ray BX which is making an angle of 40 degrees at B. Now use your compass. Measure 4 centimeters. And draw the arc. From where should we draw this? AC is given as 4 centimeters. Draw an arc. So here you can see, here it is cutting, and if I draw the arc, you can see that it is cutting the ray in two different places, here and here. Okay, two different places it is cutting. So here you can see that if you draw a line like this, A, B, C, that we are going to get. And if we draw a line like this, A, B and this is C. Okay. So you can see that two triangles can be drawn using the given measurements. Understood this, children? Now let us write the steps for construction. Step 2 we have already finished. Let's write step 3. What is step 3? Draw a ray. Draw a ray PX making an angle of 40 degrees at B. At B. Now let us write step 4. What is step 4? You know that the length of AC is 4 centimeters. Okay. Draw arcs, the radius 4 centimeters from A to intersect BX ray. Understood? To intersect BX ray, we are drawing the arcs. Now step 5 is join AC to get the required triangle ABC. Required triangle ABC. Okay, this is one. Two triangles can be constructed using the given measurements. You can write or can be constructed. Two triangles can be constructed. Understood this, children? Copy in your classwork books. So here you can see that first of all we have to draw 5 centimeters. Mark a point at 0 and at 5. Then draw the line segment 0 to 5, that is A. Going to use your compass and draw arc. Draw two arcs of length 4 centimeters. Because it is we are able to cut the ray in 2 points, we are going to draw 2 rays. Okay, this is 4 centimeters. Use your measurement like this and draw the construction. Understood, children? Let us do exercise 5 first problem now. Now let us read the first question. Construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters, AC is equal to 4.5 centimeters and angle B is given as 50 degrees. Now you have to check whether you get two triangles. When we make the actual construction, we will understand. So now let us draw the rough sketch. Angle B is given. So which side should we take as base? AB. Very good. So this is A and this is B. The length is 4.5 centimeters. Angle B is 50 degrees. So this is going to be 50 degrees. 50 degrees. AC is given as 4.5 centimeters. So A as a center, you are going to draw an arc of length 4.5 centimeters. So this is 4.5 centimeters. Both the angles, both the sides are given and the non-included angle is given. So this is the rough sketch that we have drawn. Now let us write the step. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of the triangle ABC and label it with the given measurements. Label it with the given measurements. Okay. Now let us make the actual construction. Use your scale and draw 4.5 centimeters. So this is 0. Mark a point at 0 and 4.5. Draw a line segment. This is AB and the length is 4.5 centimeters. So here in the scale you need to mark at 0, mark a point at 0 and 4 and 5. Between those two a long line is there. This is 4.5 centimeters. Mark and draw a line. Understood? Draw a line segment that way. Now angle B is given as 50 degrees. So use your protractor. And as you know that angle B is to the left side, you have to see the outer scale 50 degrees. Are you able to see 50 degrees? You have to mark there. So keep it like this. Mark 50 degrees angle and draw the line using your scale. Draw a ray. You have to draw a ray. This is BX ray we have drawn. Now use your compass and measure 4.5 centimeters on the scale, or directly like this also you can measure, because it is given that both AB and AC are same. When you want to draw an arc, you can see that we are able to draw an arc here and the other arc is meeting here. But it is on the line segment B, on the vertex B only you are getting the other arc. So you cannot construct another triangle. When two different places are there, then only you can say you can draw a triangle. So only one triangle can be constructed using the given measurements. Now let us join the arc. This is C. This angle is 50 degrees. This length is 4.5 centimeters. Understood this? Now let us write the steps for construction. Step 2. What is step 2, children? Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB of length 4.5 centimeters. 4.5 centimeters. Now let us write step 3. What is step 3? What did we do? We have drawn a ray. Draw a ray. Draw a ray BX, making an angle. Making an angle 50 degrees at B. Okay, we have drawn a radius. Now step 4. What is step 4? Draw an arc. Draw an arc of length 4.5 centimeters from A, such that it intersects BX ray at C. Understood this? What is the last step that we did? Step 5. Step 5, join AC to get the required triangle ABC. How many triangles are constructed? One triangle. So you can write here only one triangle is constructed or can be constructed. Understood this, children? Copy this in your class workbooks. Copy this in your class workbooks, children. See you in the next class. Complete the work till here.